Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can use Google and a thesaurus to search your imperative verbs to find more exciting imperative verbs that mean the same thing today. So if we have a look at the word take, okay, we can search, just click into the search bar and put other words for take. Okay, so we've got here, we need to make sure it says the verb because we're using the word take as an imperative verb. So make sure you have a look where it says verb. Okay, so it says get hold of, grasp, grip, clutch, grab. So these are all words that you could use that mean the same thing. And some of these are definitely more exciting than the word take. Okay, so if we have a look here, if we type in the word take, okay, and the kids thesaurus, then it would come up with other words as well, okay? So they've got some nice pictures for you there. Some of them are not appropriate, okay? So still, that wouldn't be appropriate for our instruction text, but it's about thinking about which ones would suit our instruction text and making sure that they mean the same thing. So we've got grab, snatch, and then there's some carry, okay? But make sure because these ones here, the verbs, they're slightly going off of the meaning that we want. So I'd say the meaning number one is probably the most suited. Grab and snatch are probably the best ones there. But you can look at both search engines, okay, to help you. And it's about selecting the most appropriate ones for your instruction text.